Today we are looking at the last of the 4 Hunter Originals that I've recently purchased. So this one here, as you can see, is full brass. The other, I have one more full brass one there, and the other 2 are white and brass. So it's in pretty decent shape. Not perfect, but it's pretty good. Has a pretty long down rod. And someone decided to paint these blades white. And the reason I know they're painted is because look at the top of them. Definitely not the best paint job when you look at the top of them. This one here is from 1992. And like all of them, they buzz a little bit because it's on my solid state. And you can see the pull chain here. I actually ended up replacing this one because the old one broke. So this one's more of a silver, but it's not that bad. Works good. It's a little stiff when it runs, but it probably just needs oil and a good cleaning. But it does run very good. This is medium. Very quiet and very smooth operation. And this is high speed and it is very powerful. Very, very powerful. Blowing everything around in this room here. Spin down is pretty quick because, like I said, it probably needs a good cleaning in the oil cup and all that, and fresh oil. And there you have it.